So here's my Spyderco Delica in ZDP 189. I got this a couple years ago, and I started working on the edge to move it back towards the spine. Initially I did it with extra coarse diamond stones, and recently I used the Kalamazoo belt sander and the Cali rest to move it to somewhere in the 12-degree range. I think you can see how wide that edge is now. Not sure if you can see the level of polish on it. It's not super duper polished, but I did finish it with a 600 grit belt. I don't normally go that high. And then I used green compound on a plain leather belt to polish the very edge and deburr it. And I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm not super happy with the edge geometry. I'd kind of messed it up in here initially with the stones, and I think to fix it I'm going to have to go really far back. So I'm happy with it in that it's totally functional and it looks decent. It is not perfect, and I would really, if I had to do over again, I would try to spend some more time on the Cali rest and get it really perfect. All right, so let's move to another area and show you the sharpness. All right, so I went and got the BESS sharpness tester. So we can get an official reading here. I'm going to take a measurement real near the base. .105. I consider that to be extremely sharp. That's one of the sharpest readings I've ever made on this particular device. If you recall, 150 to 200 is what you get from a utility razor blade from a hardware store, and 50 is more like what you get from a double-edged razor blade that you use in an old style razor for shaving your face. Let's do the tip here. 90. Wow. Yeah, this thing's pretty outrageously sharp. So this is some ad paper that came in the mail. It's not as thin as phone book paper, but I think if I'm lucky here, I can, let's see. There we go, and cut some curves with this. Anyway, it's pretty outrageously sharp. I mean, kind of ridiculous. I don't think it has a whole lot of tooth. I'll find out over the next couple of weeks of carrying this if it is toothy enough to be usable. Pretty sharp ZDP 189 Delica. Thanks for watching, guys.